If you are looking for a super high protein, low carb diet to build muscle and lose fat, this 1800 calorie diet with over 200 grams of protein is for you. Let's do this. Hey, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. A lot of people think dieting is all about eating salads, grilled chicken, and tasteless food. And if you've been following me for a while, you know that for me, it's all about sustainability. If you enjoy the food you eat, the more this will become a part of your lifestyle. So the goal with these diet videos is not me saying you have to eat this. It's more about just spreading awareness to show you how our basic Indian meals can be used to meet our diet and fitness requirements. None of these clients of mine ate chicken, broccoli, and rice all day to hit their fitness goals, and you don't have to either. Therefore, in this video, I'm going to be sharing a simple and easy 1800 calorie fat loss diet for Indians with over 200 grams of protein. But before we move ahead, if you are new to this channel, firstly, welcome. My name is FitLifeWithVatsa, and I'm just a normal guy who did his master's and recently quit his full-time job in the United States to pursue his passion, which is fitness. Therefore, on this channel, I share low-calorie Indian recipes and also break down fitness concepts into very, very simple terms anybody can understand. So if you are an average Indian who's either studying or working in the United States, in India, or anywhere else in the world, and you are looking to lose fat, build muscle, and live a healthy lifestyle in the most sustainable way, then please do consider subscribing. With that being said, let's get started with meal number one, which is this delicious spinach and cheese omelette. It's a low carb, high protein meal to start off your day. To make it, on a pan, coat some cooking spray and toss in a handful of spinach and a few chopped onions. Once the spinach wilts, add the whisked eggs, which contains 2 whole eggs and 5 egg whites. If you'd like the omelette to be fluffy, you can add a bit of water to it. While the omelette cooks, feel free to season it. I personally added salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Finally, add a slice of low-fat cheese to it, and there you go. Your filling and highly nutritious omelette is ready. This meal is a total of about 285 calories, of which 8 grams are carbs, 12 grams are fat, and 36 grams are protein. Moving on to meal number 2, which is 1 serving of this mouth-watering chicken fried rice. To make it, add 400 grams of chicken thighs to a mixing bowl with the fat trimmed off. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon of salt, and a half teaspoon of pepper. Mix well and set aside for about 30 minutes. On medium flame, coat the pan with some cooking spray and cook the chicken. Once it's fully done, on another pan, add half a tablespoon of oil, a small onion, and cook till it turns golden brown. Add a small bowl of mixed veggies along with half a teaspoon of salt and saute till the raw smell of the veggies fade. Then add 2 whole eggs into the mixture, and once it's cooked, add the chicken along with 300 grams of cooked white rice. And to this, add the following ingredients. Give it all a good mix, and there you go. Divide this entire recipe into 2 equal servings and finally top it off with some fresh coriander leaves, and meal number 2 is ready. This entire meal, which is 1 serving of the chicken fried rice, is about 590 calories, of which 57 grams are carbs, 18 grams are fat, and 51 grams are protein. Next is a quick little high protein snack, which is this vanilla pudding. Just a 2-ingredient recipe, guys, which includes 200 grams of Greek yogurt. I went with Dan Light and Fit, and 2 scoops of whey protein. Mix it up, and there you have it. This is about 350 calories, of which 18 grams are carbs, 2 grams are fat, and 64 grams are protein. And finally, moving on to the last meal of the day, which is this yummy chicken tandoori sandwich. To make it, add 150 grams of chicken thighs to a mixing bowl. Again, make sure you trim off the fat wherever you can. To that, add the following things. Mix well and set aside for about 30 minutes. Next, cook the chicken on medium flame until it's well done. Take 2 slices of bread. Each of these has 60 calories per slice. Spread some green chutney on one side, fill it with half of the cooked chicken, and top it off with 15 grams of reduced fat cheese. Cover it and lightly coat both sides with some butter. Toast the sandwich until the bread is golden brown and crispy on both sides. And there you have it. Make another similar sandwich with the remaining chicken, and there you go. 2 delicious chicken tandoori sandwiches are ready. This is a total of about 520 calories, of which 52 grams are carbs, 13 grams are fat, and 50 grams are protein. And with all the meals combined, we get a grand total of about 1,750 calories, 135 grams of carbs, 45 grams of fat, and 202 grams of protein. A low carb, insanely high protein diet with 3 delicious meals, and all of this for less than 1,800 calories. It doesn't get better than this, guys. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully you learned a thing or two. If you did, please go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new around here. And until next time, guys, you take care, you stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.